Printing using AutoCAD. This tutorial will present methods to print your files from AutoCAD. The first step you want to do is understand that printing is done under the File menu. You can type Print at the command prompt, or you can type Plot, or you can pull down the menu and go to Plot from the menu. The interface talks about 1. Page setup, 2. Printer and plotter type, 3. Paper size, 4. Plot area, 5. Plot offset, and 6. Fit to paper. Since we have not done a page setup, we're going to skip to setting up a printer and a plotter. If you have a printer device connected to your computer, you would want to then click on the pull down arrow and scroll down until you find the printer that represents the one connected to your computer. In this case, I will select the one that's connected to my computer. Notice the name of the printer is located there, the plotter type, where it's located, and the description. Now we're not going to plot this to a file. We're going to continue down and tell it the page size. In this case, the letter, and obviously the number of copies you want. I'd like to spend a little more time, however, in the plot area. In the plot area, we can choose the existing display, which is what's currently on screen. So if we do that, and let's click Preview and see what happens. As you can see, what was on screen is now showing up as a possible plot. If we center that information, we click Preview, it's now centered in the screen. Now this is on the display. Let's choose Window. With Window, we can draw a window around the area we wish to plot. We center it and we preview. Now what's important to note is that we have the plot scale at scale to fit. The reason I do this is because I don't want to have to fight with what scale represents this view, especially given that it's in a perspective mode or isometric mode. Scale does not apply. So we'll keep it at fit to paper. We'll use Window, and I'll do another window around another area, and then we hit Preview there. Now this is what you would get if you chose to print this information. All you do now is say OK, and it goes to the printer. This is how you print information. Again, make sure you set up a printer. Make sure you set the plot area to display, extent, limits, or window. Make sure your plot to scale is fit to paper. And then also you can choose whether to center the image or not. That ends this tutorial.